10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Hey guys, this is Chintan Mitlani from Installer.Not, and today we have some big news for all of our viewers. We have teamed up with Samsung Mobile India and are giving away a brand new Samsung Galaxy S4. Yes, this very phone you see here, this can be yours. The Samsung Galaxy S4 is the best smartphone in the market out there right now, as we mentioned in our review. So if you want one, we are giving you one. All you have to do is follow 3 simple steps as follows. Step 1. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment on this video telling us what you love about the Samsung Galaxy S4 and why you should win it. Step 2. Although optional, increases your chances of winning. Like us on Facebook and drop a wall post or a comment over there. Step 3. This step is optional too, but if you are on Twitter, follow us, retweet one of our tweets that you like, or just tag us in one of your tweets telling us why you want the Samsung Galaxy S4. Okay guys, so winning the Samsung Galaxy S4 is as simple as 1, 2 and 3. Please remember this contest is open only to our Indian viewers who are 18 and above. Big sorry to our viewers outside India, we will plan something for you very soon. This giveaway is open for 2 weeks, that means till Monday the 24th. We will announce the lucky winner of the Galaxy S4 in another video which we will post after the contest is over. The winner will be picked in a random draw of the comments down below. Thanks for watching, good luck, and again a big shout out to our sponsors Samsung Mobile India for helping us in bringing this giveaway to you.